people, this is and I welcome you to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little different than what I usually do. I'm gonna be shooting a makeup tutorial slash get ready with me slash come along with me to a fancy dinner place. So I am collaborating with the Breakroom Restro and it's in Barner, Pune. And I'll be taking my sister Sheetal along, and I'm so thrilled for this because Pune's nightlife is happening, and on top of that I've heard so many things about Breakroom Restro, that it's such a nice place. So I'm really looking forward to going there. So since this is like my first time when I'm shooting what kind of makeup products I use and all that makeup tutorial, do let me know if you would like to see more of such videos, and also to let me know what kind of changes I need to do and all those things. So I'll be really waiting, and I'll be really looking forward to what you guys have in your mind. I think I should get ready now. Let's begin.
So I start off by wearing lenses because I have like a very high power. Then I use a clean and clear face wash to take off all the dirt from my face. And then since I was in Pune, I also applied a skin lotion on my face. Then I use a Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. And I apply it to all the default areas, or all those areas where creasing is possible, like my smile lines, then my eyelids, and near my nose area and all those places. And then I use a Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation, and I use a damp makeup sponge, and I dab it and I apply it all over my face and my neck. Then I use a Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder, and I just dab it on my face. Then I use the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Brow Gel using an eyebrow brush. Then I use a Givenchy Prisme Couture eyeshadow palette number 4. And this is the golden color. So I use the golden color. Then for the outer corners I use the black color, and then I also dab a little silver color. And then I use the iconic kajal by Lakme, and I use it as my eyeliner and my kajal. Then I use a L'Oreal Makeup Volume Collagen 24 mascara, and then the Elegol Pro Concealer to highlight all the areas of my face. And then I dab it by using a damp makeup sponge. Then I use the powder again and just dab it and set it. Then I use a Focalier Face Blush Highlight and Contour Palette and just bronze it up. Just give some sort of definition to my face. And then I use the highlighter from the same palette and use it on my highest point on my cheek. Then on the bridge of my nose, also the tip, and my eyebrow bone, and then also above my lips. And now time to contour my nose. Just dab it off. Next I'm going to use the MAC Never Say Never blush, and I use it near my ears a little so that I get a more bronzed up look. Then I use the Maybelline Peach Kiss lip balm, so it's almost sheer but it also gives a little tint, and I don't like the tint at all actually. And then I just dab it using a towel because I don't like the the slimy effect that it creates. Then I'm gonna use the In Color lipstick and just apply it. It's a basic maroon color. And then using the LA Pro Gold Concealer again, I'm just gonna give some sort of definition to my eyebrows. And then using a sponge, I'm just gonna dab and even it out. And my makeup is done. Time to change. Yay!
Okay, and my sister is here. And now she's gonna get ready.
And then I'm gonna straighten my hair a bit. I don't like the fully straightened look, so I'm just gonna curl my hair, twirl my hair, and then gonna straighten it up. So this gives like a sort of a wavy look. And I'm all ready to go and rock and roll.
Hi guys, this is my look for today evening, and all the clothes that I'm wearing, all of that are from Myntra except for my pants. So my sister and I, we are going to the Breakroom Restro. It's a fancy restaurant in Baner. We're taking you to the Breakroom Restro. I'll be showing you what I'm drinking, what I'm eating, and just so that you know, I'm a vegetarian. Like, I only eat eggs, but you get the point, right? And I'm a teetotaler. I don't drink alcohol, so you just see, like, for someone who is a vegetarian teetotaler, what do they order? Okay, I'm just kidding. So just come along with me. I'll show you around what I eat, what I drink, the ambience and everything, like how I typically have a night out. And I'm so excited because Pune's weather started getting a little chilly. Okay, so that's it. I will directly see you either in the cab, because our cab is already called down and it will be here at any moment. I'll be seeing you in the cab or directly at the restaurant. See you later.
This one's okay.
Okay.
So one Asian water cup and cheese chili pita vida along with orange hip hop and sky ghost.
Right, that's right.
So I'm having the Asian fried wontons, and look at the size. I can't even fit into my mouth. The ambience is getting wilder. So guys, I'm just done with my dinner at the Breakroom Restro, and it was fab. So we had a pita bread. The mocktails were amazing. The pasta, like it was spaghetti pasta, and we even tried the sun-dried tomatoes on that. So it was like damn good, damn good. You guys needed to come here. Like the food is lip smacking. The mocktails are amazing, and even the cocktails are good, as what my sister told me. It's in Barnet, it's in Pune, so do come here, do check it out, and it's not gonna disappoint you at all. And what you can hear in the background is the band, the live band that's they're playing inside right now, and it's Bollywood night tonight, so all amazing soothing sounds are going on. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the Get Ready with Me slash Come Around with Me slash the Breakroom Restro vlog, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do make sure to listen it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. And much love. Bye. Hi, how did you like it?
It was amazing. The food was delicious, and the band is playing Bollywood songs, and they're really, really good. So you guys, please do come here and try different sorts of cuisines and the mocktails and the cocktails. I'm sure you would love it. But thank you, Rutuja, for bringing me here.